researched how to buy shares of ConAgra Foods Inc., a large packaged foods company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CAG. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAG to find ConAgra Foods Inc. Confirm you have the correct listing before proceeding to the company page. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to ensure it matches ConAgra Foods Inc. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and company description to confirm this is the right share. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or placed as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. After execution, your ConAgra position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. Check the description for the link if you want to follow the same example.